In June 1942, during World War II, a pilot named Flight Sergeant Dennis Copping took off in his plane, a Curtiss P-40 Kittyhawk, for a special mission. He was delivering the aircraft to another base for repairs. Sadly, something went wrong, and he and his plane disappeared without a trace. Many years later, in March 2012, a Polish worker exploring the Sahara Desert found Copping's plane, the P-40 574. The plane had been missing for an incredible 70 years. It was in pretty good shape, considering how long it had been there. The strange thing was that there were no signs of Copping near the crash site, but some clues suggested he might have survived for a while, waiting for help. Tragically, no rescue ever came, and he probably tried to walk out of the desert but didn't make it. Now, the P-40 574 sits outside a museum in Egypt after a failed attempt to bring it to Britain. Though not perfectly restored and with the wrong colors, it's been saved from being scrapped. But we still don't know exactly what happened to Flight Sergeant Copping, as his remains haven't been found yet.